Everyone, I am Dr. Venkatachilpati, the program coordinator. I would like to share with you our experiences during this program. It was initially conceptualized as a program with a target audience of about 300 participants. I am overwhelmed with the kind of response that we have got. Within 1 hour of publishing our program invite, we crossed our initial target and the number just kept growing. It is really our great fortune that we got a resource person like Dr. R. Rajesh, who explained with utmost patience about the various avenues that could be adopted while ensuring that all the participants could get on board. This is our first online venture. We did not anticipate this response, and neither were we equipped to deal with it. We still went ahead with the hope that we can execute as we go. We do realize the inconvenience that was caused to you. What worked during trials did not go as anticipated while we went live. Here again, I must say that we are extremely lucky to have had such accommodating and kind hearted participants who empathized with our predicaments and gave us the time and space to work out some solution. Help came pouring from all quarters. We are highly indebted to you. Now, here we are, the end of the phase 1 with a large network of eminent scholars, active researchers, and participants with zeal. Thank you all for everything. We will meet soon with the phase 2 of this program. Till then, I take your leave. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody, respected teachers and fellow fraternity from across the country. I'm Dr. Manjula V, IQAC coordinator and the organizing secretary for this program. I deem it my esteemed privilege to be proposing the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire team of Government First Grade College, Kanakpura. I thank our resource person and my beloved teacher, Professor R. Rajesh, for accepting our proposal and being with us. We are highly indebted to you, sir. Thank you so much. I would like to thank the Department of Collegiate Education, Government of Karnataka, who've made us to go virtual in all our ventures. I extended my sincere thanks to Dr. Venugopal, the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University, who's constantly inspired us to go online in our activities. Thank you, sir, for leading by example. I thank our College Development Council members, our true support in all our endeavors. I extend my sincere thanks to our principal in charge, Shri Vrishabendra Murthy, who has cooperated with us in all our efforts. This program today is what it is only because of our program coordinator, Dr. Venkatachilapati. He constantly designed, redesigned, and endeavored to make this happen. Our co-coordinator, Dr. Ratnamma, and the entire organizing team of all my dear colleagues, thank you so much for a job well done. I thank our alumni and our dear student friends who have always been with us in everything we do. Thank you. A special thanks to all the 2059 participants who've been extra accommodating of all our flaws. You have given us the courage to go on. Thank you so much. This program was supposed to be conducted on 7, 8 and 9, but due to technical glitches on day 1, we had to extend this. Thank you for supporting us and being with us. We will be back soon with more contents in the second phase of Smart Research Program series. Hoping to go global next. Thank you. See you then.